The GSKAIWEN 2Pack Drop Pantograph offers a generous ceiling-mounted extension range, giving studio users flexible control over light height for everything from tabletop work to full-length portraits. Built from robust aluminum alloy with a substantial maximum load capacity, each arm feels reassuringly solid when supporting heavier softboxes and continuous lighting fixtures. By moving lights off the floor and onto the overhead rail system, this setup dramatically reduces cable clutter and frees up valuable studio space for safer, smoother shooting. The auto-braking mechanism and included safety ropes add an important layer of protection, helping to keep expensive lighting gear secure even when the arms are frequently repositioned. A standard 5/8" connector makes these pantographs compatible with a wide range of common modifiers and fixtures, from softboxes and umbrellas to panel lights and spotlights. The kit arrives thoughtfully equipped with both concrete and wood mounting hardware, clamps, and gloves, making installation and initial setup straightforward for most permanent studio spaces.